What if I told you that you can use Google Veo 3 for free again in 2026? Yes, you heard that right. Even though Veo 3 is one of the best AI video generators and most of its features are paid, I found 3 working methods that still let you create Veo 3 videos without buying a subscription. And no, these aren't fake tricks or outdated methods. They actually work. But before I show you how, take a look at these videos I created using these methods.
Wow, this one looks great!
Now let's jump into the first method. The first method is using Adobe Firefly. Simply open Google and search for Adobe Firefly. Open the official website, create your free account if you don't already have one, and once you're signed in, you're ready to get started. Alright, now let's see whether this method actually gives us great results or not. Simply click on the video option and then select Generate Video. After that, your main workspace will open. In the model section, you'll find several AI models. From here, select Veo 3.1, which is currently available to use for free. One thing I really like is that it supports up to 1080p resolution, so the output quality looks amazing. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Select 9:16 for shorts, reels, and TikTok, or 16:9 if you're creating YouTube videos. Now choose your video duration. If you want your video to include sound, simply turn on the audio option. If you're creating an image to video project, just upload your image in the frame section. Now it's time for the prompt. Paste your prompt into the prompt box, and if you don't have one, don't worry. Just click the Enhance Prompt option, enter your basic idea, and it will automatically turn it into a much better prompt. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and your video will start creating. And here we go! Our video is ready. Just take a look at the result. The camera movements, the motion, the visuals, everything looks incredibly smooth and cinematic. The quality is amazing, and the best part is that there's no watermark at all. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the result. If you like it too, simply click download and save it to your device. With this method, you can create high-quality 1080p videos using the free Veo 3.1 model every day. And don't worry if you run out of your free generations, because I still have 2 more working methods to show you. Now let's move on to the second method, and this one uses Google's own tool, Google Flow. Simply open Google and search for Google Flow. Click on the official website that appears first, create your account if you don't already have one, and once you're signed in, you're ready to get started. Click on New Project to get started. Your main workspace will open, where you can create both images and videos. Since we're creating a video, let's go ahead and generate one. First, switch from the image option to video. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio and the number of outputs you want to generate. In the Models section, you'll find some AI models. I'm going to select Veo 3.1 Fast. Now, simply enter your prompt. If you already have an image that you'd like to animate, you can upload it here and turn it into a video. But since I'm using a text prompt, I'll just paste it into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, press Generate and your video will start creating. Now let's wait for it to come to life. And here we go! Our video is ready. Just take a look at the result.
Wow.
The motion, camera movements, and overall visuals look incredibly smooth and realistic.
This one looks great!
Our character is speaking, making the video feel much more natural and lifelike. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality. Another great thing is that the background audio is already included, which makes the final video even more immersive. If you like the result, simply download it, and you're all set. And if you run out of your free generations, don't worry, I still have one more working method to show you. So, let's move on to the final method. Simply open Google and search for Google Vids. From the search results, open the website with the logo I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the home page, create your account if you don't already have one, and you're ready to get started. Now, here's something interesting. Most people think this tool can only generate videos from text, but that's actually not true. You can also turn any image into a video, and let me show you how. Simply click on the Veo option. Then switch from generate from scratch to animate an image. After that, upload the image you want to animate. After that, simply enter your motion prompt into the prompt box. Then choose your preferred aspect ratio from the available options. Once everything is set, click on the generate button and your video will start generating. Now just wait a few moments for it to finish. And here we go! Our video is ready. Just take a look at the result. The animation is incredibly smooth. The camera movements, the overall motion, and the quality all look absolutely top-notch. The background audio is automatically added, which makes the final video feel even more realistic. And if you want, you can even expand or extend the video directly from here. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the result. I absolutely love it. Now simply download it from here. So, guys, these were 3 of the best working methods you can use to access Google Veo 3 for free in 2026 and create high-quality AI videos like these. Best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and support Nexa AI for more honest AI content. I'm Trixie, you're watching Nexa AI, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.